Welcome to part three. Now I will move on and talk about the intelligence built within the products in G Suite. According to a Google study in 2015, the average worker spends only about 5% of his or her time actually coming up with the next strategy or idea. The rest of our time is caught in the quicksand of formatting, tracking, analysis of or other mundane tasks, and that's where machine learning can help. G Suite is built to make organizational knowledge easily accessible to the right people so that all employees can better understand organizational needs, build on ideas, and be more efficient in their roles. And before I dive into a live demo, I thought it would be useful to highlight some of the products that leverage machine learning. So there's Google Sites, which is a no code website builder that can be used for building unlimited intranets, dashboards, or even public health campaigns centralizing key information. If you are not a graphic designer, Sites helps you publish your content automatically for mobile, tablets, and desktop, and leverages machine learning to adjust how image colors show up for you depending on the font that you select. Google Spreadsheets allows you to ask questions about your data, saving you time and having to build calculated functions. It also suggests charts that you can quickly insert with one button. What's nice too about sharing a Google spreadsheet is that simplicity is in being able to share it as a link that you can paste in your browser, in a chat, in an email, or presentation slides with the people that you give permission to access, to either view or comment or edit. And as you make a change to that sheet, that change is made everywhere that link was shared. So people always have the most accurate version at all times. You do not need to resend new versions, not take down the past ones that you sent out to. Google Forms auto collects the data users enter into your form and builds charts for you that you can copy and paste into a presentation. Google Drive is where you store files and has unlimited storage available in the second and third SKU out of the three SKUs. What I love about Drive is that it recommends with little cards if you would like to visit recent files or presentations that were shared with you. And since Google is not a sort company, but it's a search company, searching is made super easy since machine learning offers you personalized and proactive insights to save you time in searching. Machine learning stops 99.9% of spam to users' inboxes in Gmail. And if you enable a feature called Priority Inbox within settings, it can organize the most important emails at the top of your inbox, and whatever it deems unimportant, you just kind of scroll down to the bottom. You can also toggle an email as important, and it retrains your inbox instantly. Now, the next four slides, I just wanted to call out a couple of additional features. For example, with Google Documents, Slides, and Spreadsheets, you can convert into Office documents as well as convert Office files into Google Documents. There's a lot of information on this if you just Google G Suite Learning Center. From the three SKUs, the second and the third, called Business and Enterprise, automatically include a tool called Vault, which offers unlimited archiving, storage, and electronic discovery features at no extra cost. So this allows this tool allows admins to do research on content, even if it was deleted, for emails, files, distribution lists, etc., and has rules that allow you to auto delete data after a desired retention period if you have such compliance deletion policies. For support desks or communicating with the public, or for wanting to onboard users and give them access to resources with one click, you can leverage Google Groups, which are groups where you can assign users to that group and are offered a generic email for that group. And you don't have to type in every single person's name. You just add them to that group and use that group. An example would be support at mydomain.com or finance at mydomain.com, etc. I also want to mention that we have an Active Directory sync tool that is complementary for organizations that wish to sync their LDAP server, their Active Directory LDAP server with G Suite. And we also have a tool called AppMaker, which is automatically offered again in the second and third SKU, business and enterprise, which has 10 turnkey solutions you can enable for your organization, such as a training hub, a corporate store, a project management tool, and a approvals workflow. Or you can create an app with very little code with its drag and drop interface to replace, access databases or really very large spreadsheets that are running business critical operations, and could benefit from living in a real database that scales the data and reduces calculation mistakes. I also like to share the perspective that G Suite is a great platform for agencies to work with each other. And then for modernization of infrastructure or for building of future apps, they can plug their G Suite data into Google's cloud platform's big data and machine learning platform and use AppMaker as an internal front end of those apps. So the interface of those apps because of its drag and drop UI. Data Studio is an example of a free Google Cloud Platform tool that you can connect multiple data sources, including Google Spreadsheets, to build dashboards, to embed them in a website, and just publish data, which has helped a lot of agencies replace the cost they spend on Tableau licenses. What's nice about this medium is that it's not like a static PDF. It is a real-time visualization tool that helps viewers gather actionable insights within the data set that you want to give them access to. And I'm going to go ahead and stop here, and I'll talk about how do you actually get started at the 3 steps with G Suite in just a second.